Imagine leaving the doctor's office with an app instead of pills. Sounds wild, right? But this is the reality we are stepping into. Digital therapeutics are transforming the way we approach health and wellness. No longer are we confined to traditional methods of treatment. Instead, we have innovative solutions right at our fingertips. These apps are not just convenient, they are revolutionizing the healthcare industry. Imagine having a personalized treatment plan that adapts to your needs in real time, all through an app on your phone. Welcome to the new age of medicine, where healing might buzz, ding, and ask for a software update. This is not just a futuristic concept. It's happening now. Digital therapeutics are designed to integrate seamlessly into our daily lives, making it easier to manage chronic conditions and improve overall well-being. These apps can remind you to take your medication, track your symptoms, and even provide therapeutic exercises tailored to your specific needs. Imagine going for a jog in the park while your app tracks your progress and provides real-time feedback. Or joining an outdoor yoga class with guided sessions from your digital coach. These aren't your average health apps. They are designed to be your constant companion in your journey towards better health. These aren't your average health apps. They are sophisticated tools that leverage the latest in medical research and technology. They're clinically tested, FDA-approved, and designed to treat conditions like depression and migraines. These digital therapeutics undergo rigorous testing to ensure they are safe and effective. They are prescribed by healthcare professionals and are often used in conjunction with traditional treatments to provide a comprehensive approach to health management. Meet Rejoyn and CT-132, your new brain boosters. These apps are designed to help you manage stress, improve your mood, and enhance your cognitive function. Rejoyn offers personalized meditation sessions, while CT-132 provides cognitive behavioral therapy exercises that you can do anytime, anywhere. If you're juggling meds, 37 reminders, and a sleep tracker, this might be your one-stop upgrade. These apps can consolidate all your health management tools into one easy-to-use platform. No more juggling multiple apps and devices. Everything you need is in one place, making it easier to stay on top of your health. It's like having a therapist, a coach, and your mom's gentle nudges, all rolled into one tidy download. These apps provide personalized support and guidance, helping you stay motivated and on track with your health goals. Whether you need a reminder to take a break and meditate, or a nudge to get up and move, these apps have got you covered. Check out tools to support your journey: Headspace, Oura Ring, and more. These tools are designed to work together to provide a holistic approach to health and wellness. Headspace offers guided meditation sessions, while the Oura Ring tracks your sleep and activity levels, providing insights to help you optimize your health. Ever used a health app that made a difference? These digital therapeutics are more than just apps. They are powerful tools that can help you take control of your health and well-being. Share your experiences and let us know how these apps have impacted your life. Drop your story below and subscribe for more latest health technologies. Together, we can explore the future of health and wellness.